Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about something that can really improve your online workflow. We're going to talk about Firefox multi-account containers. If you often juggle between multiple accounts, say personal Gmail, work email, or different social media profiles, you probably noticed how frustrating it can be to constantly log in and log out. Now in Chrome, you can use a paid version called SessionBox. It's similar to what we are going to talk about. So it's called SessionBox for Chrome. That allows you to manage multiple sessions in the same browser. But here's the catch: the free version has moved to the paid version now, and for advanced features like syncing sessions or using multiple profiles across devices, you'll need the paid plan. That's where Firefox really stands out. Firefox offers a completely free and built-in alternative called multi-account containers. So with multi-account containers, you can separate your online identities with the same browser. For example, you can have a work container for your office tools, a personal container for social media and personal emails, a shopping container for e-commerce sites, and even a banking container for secure financial access. Each container runs in its own isolated session, meaning cookies, logins, and tracking data don't mix between them. You can be logged into two separate Gmail accounts, two separate Facebook accounts, or two different websites simultaneously, all in one browser. Here's how to get started. Open your Firefox. If you don't have Firefox installed, you need to have Firefox installed. Just go to the firefox.com, then download Firefox. Then you need to go to the addons.mozilla.org. I'll put the link in the description. Then you need to search for Firefox multi-account container. Then after that, you need to add to Chrome. That will be pinned here, and then just need to set up that. Okay, so after you've installed the extension, you can create, rename, or even color code containers like work, personal, or banking through managed containers. So you can click there, you can create a new container. For example, I'll create container 2. I can give color code whichever I like. Then I can also set up icons there that will be created here, and then you can also edit the same container like that. They can delete there, right? So yeah, you can set up multiple accounts without any limit, and then each container will be isolated from any others. So you'll have a completely new session, then you can do whatever you like in the same browser without switching back and forth from Incognito mode or something like that. I'll give you an example, a real use case example. Let's say I have two Google accounts, one for work and one for personal use. In Chrome, I'd either have to open an Incognito window or use SessionBox, which costs money for full feature. But in Firefox, it just opens two tabs, one in work container, one in personal, and that's it. No extra steps or cost. And then you can also even assign websites to always open in a specific container. For example, your office email always in the work container. And then you can also have an extra feature which use containers to reduce online tracking. Each container isolates cookies and trackers, so advertisers can't easily link your activity between the containers. And if you use Firefox Sync, your containers can be synced across devices, so you'll have the same setup everywhere. Okay, I'll show you examples. So let's set up in container 1. So you'll have the session color tab in there, so to easily distinguish between different containers. Let's head on to YouTube, for example. So I'll just sign in with one of my accounts. Okay, after signing into one account in one container, this is my YouTube at the moment, which has V in there as one of my account. Let's sign into another container now. We'll use container 2, and we'll start with this same process again. So YouTube is already logged in into that container. Now we are at the green container 2. You can see we have a fresh YouTube here. Then we can again sign in with an. So I've also signed it into another account in container 2, and then you can see there is another account here, and then you have another account in container 1. So you can do this in other containers. You'll have unlimited container, and then you can also have unlimited accounts. You can go back and forth in the same browser rather than moving through Incognito mode and then switching between profiles and all those things. So if you are tired of switching accounts or paying for Chrome extension like SessionBox, Firefox multi-account containers is perfect and free and privacy friendly solution for you guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit subscribe for more tech productivity tips, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.